Enzo Family, and welcome back to yet another vlog. If you're new here, hi, I'm Miss Beauty Enzo, and I welcome you guys to this channel. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are great, because I am. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family, y'all. Welcome back, guys. It is very cold. Excuse me. It is Tuesday, the 3rd of June. Yes, we are halfway through the year, and I asked myself on Monday, yes, I asked myself, Uguti, what am I grateful for from January to 31st of May? What am I grateful for? And I can tell you one thing. I've seen girlies from TikTok or just quotes in general saying 20s blah blah blah, something about 20s and going through the most. And at first I was not relating. I feel like I built a perfect life in my mind that I was ignoring reality. Do you understand? So at first I was like, nah man, I'm 22 and there's nothing that's going on. 23 showed me flames. And I'm going to say 23 starting from Jan, right? Because that was the year of my 23rd, if like you guys get me. But from Jan, I had like an eye-opener, right? And I am seeing everything, the ups and the downs of my life right now. And like, nyawabona, I don't wanna lie to you guys. And yeah. I can feel when they say 20s are the most, I'm not going to say difficult, but where you actually have to set your priorities straight and like clock in reality. Like, this is reality. This is life. Do you understand? Like, the decisions that you're going to make now have to be the decisions that are not going to affect you in 5 years to come. Do you understand? So it's a lot, but we are learning. I just hope the next 6 months is not smooth, but it's just blessed. Honestly, that's all I'm asking for. I'm blabbing. I have some unboxing to do. Firstly, I did my hair. I did renew the front. Remember, I had like that thing, so I renewed the front. The back is still the same, but obviously it's just very neat. Bali is my hairdresser, guys. I don't usually show when I go to her because she's at her home and it's very personal. I don't want to like invade her personal space. But she does my hair. I don't know which one to start with. We have a Shein haul. Woo! If you know, you know. Right. If I'm gonna stand here. Okay, no, I'll let you know. I have a Shein haul. I have a Superbalist unboxing, and I bought hair. I am going in exactly a month's time. I'm going on a friendcation. I can't wait. I'll tell you guys all about it very soon. I think the next vlog will be all about it before the actual vacation. But I bought hair. I don't know which one to start with. Okay, let me start here. I bought hair, right? I usually buy hair from Dragon City. I buy my hair from Dragon City at Best Girl Hair. I feel like though that supply company is like, they're nice, man. Like, the hair is nice, right? So I still afford that. So now I tried another hair supplier, hoping I won't be disappointed. I saw from this girl, if I'm not mistaken, yes, she posted this hair supply, and I was like, I always see her hair is nice, right? So why not try something new? I don't know if I'm risking or what, but yeah, it's Caribou shop number C55 and C56, Dragon City. I don't know if you'd like to try it or you've tried it before. If so, please just let me know if the hair is nice. And if not, I'll just let you know when I buy hair next time, if ever I went back to my old supplier or I'm still with them. So this is a brown color 4, a brown bob. It's a 16-inch bob. I want something different. I have like a short bob, right? That is like the different kinds of browns. But like I either have short wigs or long is it like 20-inch going up. So I don't have like your 12, 14, 16-inch hair. So I wanted to try this. I can't wait to install it. Honestly, I just can't wait. Like once it's customized and so yeah, this is the hair that I bought. And then I'll let you guys know how it feels after obviously wearing it and washing it. And then if ever like ngayifaka futhi for the second time, I will let you guys know. So I have to take it to Usihle so that she can just customize it for me. And then I go install when we are about to leave. Secondly, we have our Superbalist box, right? Sorry, I have a Superbalist box. Inside here is inside here is makeup, right? Not makeup, but like foundation. Oh shit, I'm done. Alright, so I have these two from Maybelline. So I saw a competition, not a competition, is it a competition? I don't know, on Instagram on Maybelline, and they said in order for you to be invited to their event happening end of June, you have to purchase this and this, right? So I was lucky enough to get these on special. Not this. Why is lipstick 208? Tell me, why is Maybelline lipstick so expensive? Anyway, right, so this was 300 and something, and then this was 200 and something. Imagine. So I'm not too sure about this color, honestly. I just saw the darkest color there, like closer to my skin color, and I just chose it. And then I chose this lipstick because I actually liked it. Let me just see how it is. So yeah, in order to enter, you had to buy these and then send them the slip, and then you get your ticket. So I did that and I got my ticket. So we are going. I think it's going to be on the next vlog. I'm not too sure. I'm a bit confused with when to post, but we'll see. So this is in the color 135 Fearless. Right, so this is the color. Looks nasty. So it's a dark brown, maroonish color. And if you guys can see that. But I actually do like it. I don't have a lipstick that's like this. So yeah, that's the color. So it's really nice. And then we have foundation in the color 140, right? So this is their Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. Obviously it's matte. Big problem because I have a matte. As in Maybelline. All right. It's a matte. So let me just... Oh, this is super light. This is definitely not my skin color, especially in winter. I don't know, but keep on cutting me, guys. What I'm saying is, what I'll do, I'll just mix the color if it's too light. But this is too light. This is like super light. I don't even test it on my face, but this is what the star of the show. If you know, you know. If you're an OG, you know. Huh? Excuse me. Have a Shein haul. Like I said, I'm going on a trip soon, so I just added on to the things that I already have. I feel like I've only worn my vacation clothes once, honestly, and yeah, Shein was very unfair. So I didn't buy everything that is new. I'm just gonna add on to what I have, right? Oh, we lost. Alright, so what's this? Oh, it's also not only my vacation clothes, it's just add-on. Right, so it's not all vacation clothes, it's just add-ons to what I really like. Right, so we have this. I saw this jersey. It's going around, like it's very cute and stuff. So I just wanted to have one. Doesn't make sense like this. Doesn't make sense to me, but you know what we're about to do and get. I pull me. Yeah, pull. It is very cold, yeah, sun. So I don't need a chair for this one. To be honest, like I'm not that short. But this is how it looks. Ooh, shame. I don't know what's going on. Like it wide, and I wanted it long, not wide. But this is what we're working with. I don't know what's going on with this jersey. I don't like it now. I hope I will like it when I have like a full-on outfit. Like I don't know. Like really too short, unfortunately. Oh, it sounds like Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, I don't know what this is. Let's see. Okay, so this is a guys, me sure like Shein is like a real thing. Like when you select small, I am still in denial about my weight gain. Honestly, like I feel like I'm super small here, and then when we get here, we can compromise. But what size is this? Oh my god! Yeah. This is a size medium. Ha! So, utin. Utin. I'm so large, man. Aye. Wait. Oh, guys, I feel like it's so cold. Not feel like it's so cold to be changing in and out of clothes. But because I love you guys so much, I'm gonna do it. This is a perfect fit, honestly. I'm not complaining. I thought it's gonna be small, but this is very cute. I want to pair this with like jeans and then my oh, it's so cute. So this is gonna be worn like for lunch. Yo guys, I can't wait. All right, let's try a new one. This is another white purchase. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, Dida. Like we've got a lot to catch up on. Wait, let me just put this one aside, ne? I'm gonna tell you why. All right, so we have another one. What's this? Oh, this is like a bra, right? So I accidentally bought two bras, the same bras. I think one was supposed to be earrings. So not done with me, but so I'm so disappointed. But this is a bra, so I'm not going to show it. And then these are headbands. Oh guys, like I'm pushing an aesthetic look for like my airport outfit. So I bought these three. These three are very like in colors. This is like a black hairband. This is like your brown. Oh, this is your brown, and this is like a nude, right? So this is like hairbands. Cool. Right, so I'll tell you why I want this look, or what look I'm going for. My battery is low. This is the second bra. I'm probably gonna give it to my sister. Right, so again we have the brown hairband. Danish, watch this. I need to pause this for now. Guys, this is cute. Like, this is very cute. So this is like a brown, like what sets, I don't know, like those gym sets. Oh, this is really nice. Like, this is like, this size is a petite large. I made sure to choose petite large now, yeah, in order for the pants to fit me well. I didn't care much about hair because I do have like, I don't know, devile or not too sure, but I like this so much. It's a zip, right? So I bought these for the outfit. Do you get me? Oh. Can't wait. I love this so much. It's like a stretchy. I'm definitely getting these in more colors. This is cute, and I'm glad I chose brown because like of that aesthetic look and Hush. No time. All right, let's go on to the next one. Oh, this is the other outfit. Man, oh. I have so many white things that I actually bought. Okay, so here's another white one. So this is so this is how it looks. Right, and then there's like a belt thingy that comes here. I don't know, I liked it. I want to pair it with my white shorts. I thought it's going to be a bit baggy, but it's a perfect fit. But I'm not mad at it. But like when you overlap hair, like on the shorts, not overlap, but like like keep it close, like I wanted like a very nice look. We'll see. We'll see, yes. And then the next one, I just bought like a white bra. I realized I have a lot of black sets, right? So I needed like a white bra also because I have a white underwear. So oh, this is a very interesting purchase. This one is a very interesting purchase, and I hope God, very interesting. Like, sorry, do you understand, Guti? When you look at pictures of like outfits, obviously you'd want that outfit to look exactly like you'd want to look exactly like the outfit. So I bought this. Why? Oh, I sham. What size is this? So what size is this? The size medium. Right? So I bought this. This is a shirt, guys, right? and the size medium. It's a man's shirt. Ne? These are men's shirt. It's very cute. Like, I want to show you guys before I fit it. Ne? This is how it looks. It's very cute. I like it. It's very unique also. So it's like a blue, white, green, purple type of situation. Like, naibona, like, it's very nice. So my vision, ne, is to wear it like, yabona, those girlies that wear that, what's that brand? It's a luxury brand, ne? And it's like a shirt only. So this was my look. This was my inspo to wear an oversized shirt. So I don't know. Do you understand? Uguti, outfits don't look nice if you're fitting, but they actually look nice on the day. So I just hope it does really look nice and it. Yo, I shame. Disaster. So this is how it looks, right? I don't know if I can still wear it alone because that is my goal, right? It looks funny now because I'm wearing pants and that, but with the vision that I'm going with, I just hope it does what? So this is the shirt, guys. This is a medium. That's the print at the back. Oh, like I just hope so yeah, I don't know if I should show you guys these two. Okay, no, let's not. Let me just keep it for the day as to when I have to wear them. I'm not gonna wear these two at the vacation. I'm gonna wear these after. So I'm gonna show you guys after. Right, I promise I will. I'm gonna take these and put them very safe, and I'm gonna show you guys after. But yeah, this is the end of the Shein haul. I really hope that you loved it. I missed it so much. It was kind of weird because I forgot how I actually do things, and I hope we do more because I'm willing to order more of those gym sets. I love them so much. So let's just hope there will be another one before December. I hope, because I think definitely there will be one for December. So before that, I need to just have like another one. So like, pray for me, right? And yeah, I think I'll see you guys. I think I'll see you guys on Friday. I'm supposed to go with my colleagues on team building type of situation. Not team building, but like team strengthening. So we are going for bowling at Carnival. So I hope I'm able to vlog. If so, I'll see you guys on Friday. If not, I'll see you guys on Saturday. And then, yeah. I like you guys so much. I hope you really enjoyed the segment of the unboxing of things. Yeah, it's actually our first. Okay, not first, yeah. Blabbing. I'll see you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. It is a Saturday morning going to afternoon. I just wanted to open this vlog here. I'm going out with a friend of mine. We know her, Fifi. We are going to Pantry. I'm not too sure why Fifi chose this restaurant, because I don't know if it's a restaurant or what, but because she's not a fan of burgers and stuff. And when she actually showed me, she was like, let's go try out this spot. So I'm like, is this you? But let's go, guys. I can't wait. I just want to apply this charcoal coffee scrub. Charcoal, yeah. By My Obsession, obviously. Like I said, I'm trying these new products with you guys, right? And like along the way, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's a Saturday. Like I said, we are gonna go out at 2. It's 11 now, so I'm gonna apply this, and then I'm gonna go just wash the dishes, and then bath, and then come back and do get ready with me. I'm not gonna do much makeup, honestly. Just to look presentable. Do you understand? So yeah, I'm actually I'm on TikTok, right? And Calvin Momo is trending with the whole Red Bull event that was happening yesterday. And the video that's circulating is the one yaga your performance gababalo. Amalobolo, right? And in my mind, I'm like, like abafana, yo. Like abafana bazosibulala, I don't wanna lie, guys. Abafana bazosibulala. Yo, like they don't confirm anything. Like I wanna not. Don't. But I'd like to thank my mother-in-law. Oh, guys. And then yo, Hashem, I was really nice, have fun. Anyway, I've been seeing what's this? My YouTube videos, right? Obviously, we know the front camera is not the best as the back camera, right? And I've been noticing that when I'm editing or when I'm about to post my videos and stuff, the quality is not nice. Do you understand? Yes, the lighting does make a difference and stuff, but also the quality is not nice. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna just end up risking and taking videos with my back camera, whether I'm talking to you guys or I'm just showing you obviously what I'm supposed to show you. But I feel like I'm gonna take everything with my back camera. If this does not work, if this process does not work, I'm definitely taking my next vlog or videos with my back camera. Like the flash, if ever there's something that is disturbing the camera, the flash obviously then I'll know Gucci, the video has stopped. Because that's my fear, to take something Dante, the camera wasn't lit or anything like that. But yeah, so this is our probably last selfie video taking type of situation. If it doesn't work, then let me get on with what I'm getting on, and then I'm gonna see you guys when we do get ready with me, I guess. Get back. I don't know if I should turn this behind. I should turn this like the other way around, or I should keep it like this. Let's turn it around. I hope this is better. Anyway, I did say I'm not doing like a heavy beat or anything like that. Just the beats. I want to try this. I tried to cover up that thing behind me. I need to get my frames. Like I really need to get my frames like intact and actually put frames there, because there's no way. There's no way. Right, so anyway, I hope I'm in frame, to be honest. I hope. So this is in the color 140. This is way lighter than my, never, super light, but we're gonna work with it. No? Because in the original Fit Me shade, I'm a color 330, so obviously they did change the numbers and stuff. I was hoping to find like a color like this, but let's see. Never? Very light, so I'm gonna obviously just mix with this. I want different, guys. Oh shit. Anyway, I went to the movies yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. I went to the movies and I watched The Sinners, right? It's the trending movie now. And I'm not a horror person. Like your horror movies. No. I'm such a reality show person. I am comedy, I guess. I enjoyed also the was it Fast and Furious that we went to watch? I think it was Fast and Furious. I did enjoy it. So I enjoy movies that like have some reality behind it, honestly. And I'm saying, I'm a tap into reality type of girl. Like like horror movies defeat me so much. Like uyabona ukuthi mawuzoya laphaya there's gonna be a problem. Like you can see, because the person that went there came back and had a problem. So why are you going there? Uyofunani laphaya? That is my problem with horror movies. Like I'm like, the hell are you going to do there? And the movie I was watching yesterday, I'm so sorry if like you are planning to watch it and spoiling it for you, but I'm just sharing my piece. Like it was about like at first I was confused, you know. I was confused because like I like to like focus. So it's okay, this is about this. And obviously if like it's a series on Netflix or Showmax, like a trailer, so you're able to see it's okay, this movie is about this. So I didn't watch the trailer when I booked the tickets. I just booked, and when I got there I was like kind of confused. It was okay, it showed me a bit of redness in the picture, but now it's all about like country type of situation. So what is going on? Fine, I watched, and it's about like one family being in like the countrysides, yeah, and then they're all churchy, they're all about God, nan. And then there's another group. This group is like vampires. So they're obviously trying to influence the churchgoers to join their group. So in order for them to join their group is for them to bite them, right? So like it's something like that. Like yo bang bora, because bayamkhuza ukuthi ungangeni laphayana. And you think with horror movies, you think ukuthi like, I mean, understand it. If you haven't watched it, I don't think like you'd understand, but if ever you'd watch it, I have watched it. Like this guy when like when that white guy that was wounded went into that home and begged to get in, right? And then they let him in, not thinking Uguti he was actually the vampire, and they let him in. And then Bafiga, the guys with the horses, and warned that lady Uguti is not the person that you think he is. And you think from an innocent perspective, you think the ones with the horses, right? Because like why he came here and but to actually think of it, it's the opposite. They were actually trying to prevent this guy from influencing everyone else, because that's how it started. Guys, please go watch it. Honestly, like please go watch it. Like, edge of your seat, like literally. Like when I go horror movie when we're watching, like kuma movie when we're watching people that are watching horror movies, they like, I was literally like that. Like, oh, do you know what the fuck? Like, what are you doing? Like, it doesn't make sense. But I'd give it an overall 7ish, 8, because I feel like it could have went somewhere else. Like, I feel like those vampires should have like went to the town and actually like tried to influence everyone with joining them. So like, and then those heroes being the pastor's kid and the twin, yibo aba preventayo, which like no I love would have loved to see ukuthi injani. But it's a nice movie, honestly. It's a nice movie. So yeah. Because I'm trying to see. I don't know if I told you that, but when I was at the what's this? The trip, right? I was sharing a room with this lady, sorry. So obviously it's makeup time and right? How she was using the quick face. I don't know if I told you guys, I don't know. She was using the quick face products. Yes, guys. I wonder if you think you'd understand why I'm crazy about that spray I told you about from Quick Face. The other products, yes, guys, I was crazy about them. Like, she was using the I had left my bronzer here, and I was like, do you have a bronzer? And she was like, yeah, it's a Quick Face. The best thing ever created. I don't know other bronzers, ne? Because I used the Smudge one, and I thought this was actually the best thing ever. No, guys, Quick Face. And man, getting a checker on Mr. Price, I say, honestly, like physical stores. I'm not sure about online. I really want it. Like, to be honest, I really do want it, because it's the best thing that's ever happened in the world when it comes to bronzers. I used her highlighter because, like I said, my bronzer comes with a highlighter, right? So it's a package and stuff. I use that Quick Face, mind you. It's Quick Face. Guys, their products are nice. I don't wanna lie. Like, I hope in, because I can't find them. Like, angazi fasese khona. Oh, what? I had to change because of I think the lighting is acting up now. I don't know where my my powder is. There's a bag that I use, ne? It had my powder, it had my hair food, it had my, I don't know what else. But now I can't find that bag because the powder is in there. I can't find the bag. I don't know. Let me just try and finish up this makeup, guys, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when I don't know. I'm just so bored now. Because this is dark. I can't use this. This compact powder is dark. I've tried it once and I didn't like the outcome. And they use it if ever there's a powder that's going to be used after. I was super bored. I didn't have much. So now I have to buy like another powder. Oh, like the bored. Yo, like I don't wanna lie, like I'm so bored. Like my makeup won't make sense now. Literally, the lighting is going bad. Now, ngiyazibuza ukuthi where's my setting sprays? Like, where's my setting sprays now? Like, the thing is, I don't manage because I think they were all in that bag. I'm gonna use, because honestly I just want to be done with this face now, so I'm gonna do my under eye lips spray. I'm gonna look for my spray. If I don't find my spray, then I'm in trouble because I don't know what I'm gonna use. But let me finish up and then I will talk to you guys when I get dressed. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm done getting dressed. I look so cute. I look like usisi mdala. Like, yeah, when I was realizing it when I was doing my face. Once you get used to putting like individuals or like your lashes, individual lashes, it's very hard to put on a strip lash. Not like put on literally, but like having strip lashes on. Like I feel like my eyes are very heavy right now and my eyes have gone smaller with these lashes, and I've been looking for lashes the whole house. I don't have strip lashes anymore. I need to get strip lashes. Like I need to get normal strip lashes because this is not it. Anyway, also I didn't find my setting spray, meaning I've lost 2 setting sprays along with my powder. I really just hope it's here in the house. I really just hope so because I need to go buy another spray now. I need to go buy another setting powder. So nice. Anyway, this is my outfit. Before I show you the bags that I have here, this is the outfit, ne? So this is what I have, right? I look so, oh man, this red top is the one from Shein that we unboxed a few days ago. I like it now because it makes sense with the outfit and me. And then I have this top here. It's just a black basic top. I have these pants, these jeans that I bought. Oh my god, can you imagine? 2021, 2020. Probably in grade 11. I didn't like them because of how they sat on me. I think it's because, I don't know why, because they are size 8. Which is like, what size is that? I don't know. But they did not fit me. So they've been in my closet. And I was like, nah, I spawned it today. So they actually fit so nice. And then I'm wearing these Air Force Ones. I wanted to wear my, what's this? I wanted to wear my Steve Maddens, but they're dirty, so I need to go get them washed. So wear these. And then yeah, this is the outfit. To be honest. Okay. And then with bags, I have this black bag that I abused so much. And then I have a red bag. So I don't know which one is cuter with the outfit. Get it? Cool. Like they're both so cute, honestly. Like, I don't know. I don't know, Shein. I feel like I'll go with this one, honestly. I'm sure like I should know red, but like I'm not honestly Shein. Like I don't know. So I'll just go with this black bag that I usually take. Shein bags. I'm sure you can tell where in here. Because this is literally like my anytime black bag. Like I need to get another one, honestly. But guys, yeah, this is the outfit of the day. We are gonna go now and have tasting experience of pantry actually. So yeah. Bye.
What a day, what a day. Oh, my mama, I'm feeling high. What a day, what a day. Oh, my mama, I'm feeling high. What a day, what a day. Oh, 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 oh.
Nope. Wait, that looks like that's all. It's not life changing. It's like some iced tea. It's not bad. Real meat. Yeah. Cheers. What flavor is that? Hi guys. Guys, Fifi's been buying. She's getting a carrot cake now. Let's get that. Pistachio. Hi guys, I'm back. I couldn't wait to take off my makeup. I did not enjoy my makeup and that ruined everything for me. It ruined the pictures I took because I took pictures with Fifi's phone, but when I looked at them, I liked none of them. The outfit was okay, yes, but when it comes to my face, like aklanganang, and also my eyes are red. I think it's the lashes. I don't know, but honestly, like I'd like to repeat this outfit someday and actually take a proper picture because I wanted like an Instagram picture, but unfortunately it wasn't one of those days. I'm back, like I said, and I'm about to sleep actually. I'm gonna close this vlog today because I'm not doing anything tomorrow and next week. So yeah, I didn't post this Wednesday, so I'll post next Wednesday, the coming Wednesday. So this is the vlog I'm gonna post. So I'll just start editing it and see how long it is. Even though maybe it's like 20 something minutes, I'll just post it for the sake of posting. And then yeah, I think that's all for now. But the date was actually nice. That place is okay. It's nice. The food is nice. Yeah, we just wanted to catch up and that's what we did, and it was actually nice. So we bought a few things at the store. You guys saw the let me go fetch it. It's still there. So here, we bought the Fanta peach. Oh, Fifi was trying out the, I don't know what that is, but it wasn't bad. So I tried out the Fanta peach. I don't know if it's a juice or soda, sorry. So like we said, it's not bad. It's like your iced tea. It's not bad, honestly. And then I'm so lazy to open these, but I bought these also. Prawn bites. I'm still full, like oh okay, they smell like those cocktail chips that we always buy, and they are like the cocktail chips now. That's different one, but yeah, I found another. Angazi shame ukuthi kwenzakalani la, but ifana naye yabo. I don't know what's going on. I found no Woolies. The cocktail flavored snacks from Woolies. Nothing new. And I actually thought they're gonna be so different. And then I got this, the Wonka bar. It was so nostalgic because Willy Wonka from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So I'm not a chocolate person, honestly, and I would love to try this, but it's probably like any other chocolate, and I'm actually so scared to open. Not scared, but I don't want to open it and then only to just leave it like that. But it smells like dark chocolate. Oh, I don't know how it's supposed to taste like. Monkey chocolate bar. It's just an ordinary chocolate bar, honestly. Nothing fancy about it. The packages are attracting. They'd want you to actually like buy me, do you understand? But what's inside is what we are used to. This is like your dairy milk, and the other one is like the cocktail snacks that we used to, from the one from Rudy's and the ones from Spa. So yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I actually get to see you guys. I'm not too sure about next week. Next week is a long weekend. I haven't planned anything. But what I'm sure about is the maintenance of the vacation and the actual vacation, and also the Maybelline event. So at least we have content before we actually leave for the vacation. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy this whole vlog. Don't forget, like, to ah and do you think and to think that I had one margarita. I'm so lightheaded. I hate it now. I hate it for myself. I can't. I had one margarita, and it's not the one making my eyes red, it's the lashes. But it's like I'm so lightheaded, hence I'm losing my speech. Or I'm speaking fast. I don't know. But as I was saying, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I really hope you did enjoy this vlog. I love you guys so much. So much. I can't wait to see you on the next one.